Hi guys, how can you create a twirl redline vector image effect in Photoshop like this? First, go to File New and create a new document with a white background and note the document setting. Now fit the background. Go to the tool and select Gradient Map. Open the settings, choose a two-color gradient, set one color to white and the other to red, then press OK. Apply the gradient to your background. Now go to Filter Distort Wave. Set the values like this. Generators 40. Wavelength around 59 to 60. Amplitude around 282 to 283. Type Sane. Undefined areas, repeat edge pixels. Then press OK. Next, go to Filter Distort Polar Coordinates and apply it at 100%. Then go to Filter Distort Twirl. Set the angle to 50 and press OK. Now go to File, Place Embedded and insert your image. Adjust it to fit the canvas, then press Enter. Finally, change the blending mode to linear burn. And that's it. This is how you can create a twirl redline vector image effect in Photoshop.